my friend Azizam. This is how to play. We're doing on the acoustic guitar, and this is by a musician named Ed Sheeran. I hope that you dig on this. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe, put something cool in the comment section. Other than that, join the channel, why don't you? Learn a little something about music theory and enjoy the quirky awkwardness of this guy. My name's Wega. It's nice to meet you. When we're playing this song, we're going to have an E minor, but we're going to be moving it down to an E flat. So if you're super familiar with playing an E minor, you can't just move this down a half step and get an E flat minor. Yuck. What happens is we're looking at like a D major goes forward, and then we turn it into an E minor. So a really cool thing we can do is put a capo. So for this song, what I want to do is show you two ways on how you can play like your D minor with the capo on the first fret, and then play a C major, and then an A minor, and then we're going to be playing a B flat major. Now these three chords, D minor, C major, A minor, B flat major, are with the capo. Now those go through the entire song. The rhythm that I see though by playing the 6th fret, just the top 3 strings, 6, 7, 8, moving it down and then moving us forward. So we have 4, 6, 6. And then being able to play all of our 6th fret right here at the top, and then move it up a half step and add a major tonality. The whole point is to get an E flat minor to a D flat major to a B flat minor to a B, now let's not name those, sorry, A sharp minor to a B major. The reason why we're doing that is it gives us the tonality of a minor, major, minor, major, da, da. That is the entire song. Now, for a student, I'm doing this one, so I'm going to show it in a little bit more depth with our capo. However, don't sweat the small stuff. Working on bar chords is super hard. The more you do it, the clock hours, the better it becomes and the easier it will feel. When we're playing this, make sure you put your capo up towards the top of your fret. It's just the way I do it. It's the way I show it. With our D major, turn this D major into a minor by holding our finger and then moving these two. Top finger is on the E string, second finger is going to be on that J string. When we do this, we've got a D minor, and then when we move our fingers down to a standard C major, and then we have a standard A minor, and then we're going to take an A major with the 3rd finger, push it up a half step, and bar the whole 1st fret. Groovy melody, it does flow, and this goes through the whole song. So it doesn't have a chorus or refrain, but it does. It's just one type of progression throughout the entire song. If you enjoyed the way I teach, thumbs up, put something cool in the comment section. Otherwise, we'll see you for our next adventure in music. Aloha!